Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to be giving away, not today, but in the very soon future, one of these BlueDrive OBD2 Bluetooth scan tools. Plugs right into your OBD2 port, connects to your phone. You could do a ton of stuff with this. So in this video, when this video gets to say 200 likes and 200 comments, I will be using a randomizer, one of those apps out there, to pick a winner, and I will be letting you guys know who the winner is as soon as I get to 200 likes, 200 comments, and I'll be posting a video. You got to reply within, like, let's say 10 days, and I'll send you one of these for free. But what does this thing do? If you don't know, you probably already know, because if you're looking for scan tool stuff, this is probably one that came up. After you purchase one of these or get one of these for free, check out Scotty's Hobbies. When you figure out what component is wrong with your vehicle, I have a ton of component locations and a ton of DIY automotive repair help videos, and brakes too. So again, 200 likes, 200 comments. So if you watch my videos, comment below with what the year, make, and model of your vehicle is that my video has helped you out on, and that'll just get you entered right there. Again, I'll be picking somebody at random. I'll post that video, so make sure you sub so you get that video, and that'll let you know who is actually going to be the winner. I will just I'll just drop ship it straight from Amazon to your door for you. Like, subscribe, share. I will see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies.